Hello and welcome back to Live, Love, Life. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you will love what you see and like, subscribe, and share. These photos that you're about to see were captured from various paths, trails, and places visited within and outside of our region. Some photos were taken in previous years and most from current year. There are so many hidden gems right in our own backyard. We don't even know until we step out to explore the beauty in nature. The sunset and the sunrise, so gorgeous. And it's those tiny blessings that really bring the bigger blessings in life, and just being present in the moments. I never get tired of watching the trees and observing how they flow and the lush beauty of the leaves that surround their branches. This capture is actually from our visit to Ocean Cay, Bahamas, where you will see a lot more photos towards the end of this video. A beautiful island. We enjoyed it. You will witness more of this as we get further on into the video. Along with observing the trees, I love looking up and taking pictures of this beautiful sky, even when it's gloomy. Beautiful, beautiful sunrise. Actually, that was the sunset. And here comes the beautiful canal. Never get tired of taking pictures of this canal. So picturesque. And spotting ships. Here we go. This is what I mean. Look at how lush this view is. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Picturesque. Taking a walk in nature, there's so much to observe, so much to see. Even at this time of year in spring, if you take note of the trees as they start to bloom, you kind of have to get close to them to really see it. And if you love photography like I do, and you zoom in on those trees as they're budding, you will see how beautiful it really is. It's like new life. This was one of my favorite captures for this day, only because I was kind of playing around with my camera and exploring different features on my camera. And I decided to play around with this little form of nature right here. And yeah, so I'm loving my camera, and my camera that I use most of the time is simply just my cell phone. So I'm just exploring the features, and there are so many different features on this camera. So it's been good. I love it. And I'm still learning. Every day I'm learning something new. You will notice that these pictures and videos are in no particular order, and I've pulled them from various dates and years simply because they are just so gorgeous and captivating. Every now and then, I like to compile photos and videos and put them together in larger videos like this, so that when we have our family nights or just casually sitting by the TV, we can open up YouTube and sit and watch all the memories just flow through and reminisce on the moments. So beautiful to watch. The next few photos were captured in the Ocean Cay, Bahamas. Beautiful. And the ocean itself, simply gorgeous. Yeah. It was super cold this day in Ocean Cay. It was so cold. And earlier on, it was pouring rain, so we couldn't even get off the ship. And so, once it stopped raining, luckily enough, we were able to get off and enjoy a little bit of Ocean Cay. So gorgeous when it's not cold, but nonetheless, we still enjoyed it and got the most of it while we were here. So, so nice. The ocean, so beautiful and crystal clear. Thank you for tuning in to Live, Love, Life. Have a beautiful and blessed day.